Welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Another week. Another week with this uptrend. Gold looking for 41 again. The plan is very easy. Very, very easy. Let's go to open a long position. Let's go for open a long position. I'm waiting at least around 40, 84, 85, 40, 82, something like this. Let's see. This is going to be the first trade of the week. The first trade because yesterday in Tokyo session I waited something good, but nothing happened. Nothing happened. So okay. Let's go and be ready. You can love me. Just we need the little consolidation. Looks like near to 39.85. So let's wait this one. The color. Well, yellow. Okay. So now we got the little consolidation. It's time to clarify the position. Let's go to open the trade. $39.85, $39.84 would be the positions. Inclusive 39.80, 80, 83. Touching the 83, so that's great. That's ready for our intentions. So, we are in. Let me share the point of entry. 40, 84, that 89. 79. The position is there. Forty 95. 95. Well, the information is here. 4094. 4094. 4094. That 20. So, well, we stay there in that accumulation. Let's see if we can apply for the TP1. With a good reaction for these last 5 minutes. That was crucial. So, well, 4086. So, must do the last 5 minutes continue with that pressure if we want to continue. 5 minutes. Minutes. Want to be a trader like you. Thanks, my friend. It is a pleasure. Just relax and let's wait these 4 minutes. Y si te escribes en español, nos lees, claro que te leo. Pero por lo general nadie escribe en español. Aunque mucha gente habla español, no me. La mayoría intentan hablar en inglés también, aunque hablen español. Preferiría que hablar en español, la verdad. Siempre se lo digo. I really feel that you master your emotions. Yes, thanks. Well, again, trying to stay calm. Friday was a really bad day, so I need to do something good today. So let's see. Ending the ending the candle in 15 minutes. Do you give a giveaway? Not anymore. No more giveaways in this channel. Probably when we arrive to the 100K. Hola, Laura. ¿Cómo estás? So, well, guys, you're the best. I'm from Pakistan. Nice, but nothing to celebrate if we don't. If the price don't end more than 40.86. This is the last candle. A beautiful candle with a good reaction. So let's see. We have more opportunities to touch the TP2, TP1, TP1, TP2. Now, with this beautiful pressure, but well, with these market conditions, we can see a lot of things. We can go back to the full stop loss, or we can go back. We can do the full TP. It depends. At this moment, holding. It's holding. Soy relativamente nuevo, favorito que. Ok, puedo saber. El volumen, zonas de volumen, mi amigo. Laura de Argentina. Excelente, bello país, bellas personas. Caen muy bien los argentinos. Sin embargo, ok. Ahorita with the price retraced to 4,000. Yes, it can go back to 4,000 with no issues. If canvas, as you say, bro, stop loss show kindly. Let's see. This moment, still waiting, guys. Going back to our point of entry. Going back to our point of entry with an aggressive candle for around 30 pips. So let's see. Going here, I can apply for some re-entry. Let's see what happened with this candle. We got a beautiful reaction in the last candle, but at this moment it's losing that pressure. For the second and the third, my last entry here. Let's see what happens if we have some luck or not. It depends for these two candles. Looks beautiful. Looks a beautiful reaction for the last. Well, these three candles, they are doing around 70 pips in 3 minutes. So we need the reaction now, of course, if we want to continue. Looks difficult, very aggressive, very aggressive. So it depends for the next candle if we can continue or not. Nope. Let's stop hit again. This gold. The first candle looks beautiful, but this one, stop hit, give us a pin by reactions here, same as here. And well, it goes back. Mhm. Let's see what happened in the next 10 minutes for if we continue, because my idea is just the price will continue with the uptrend. 4103, for example, 41008. Okay, New York. Oh no, buy pips. So, guys, waiting here. Must wait 10 minutes at least for clarify the 1 hour candle. Looks like if this candle ends there, breaking the 40.81, probably we will see prices around 40.60. So, well, unfortunately for some pips, we lose the position. Going back to our point of entry, well, it doesn't matter. The stop loss was there. Just I don't know how to explain this, but well, in 1 minute we open the trade into this accumulation here around 40.84 and 40.83. We try to open the best position where I can, but well, I fall into the 40.84. And well, as you can see, the price just give us three candles for around 80 pips, the retracement, and for the reason it goes up. Same by here, touch the stop loss, and then the price grow up. So now it's just time to wait, and that's all. Not too much. I will try to recover this trade. So the count ends in minus 400, still in 800 in positive. So well, let's wait these 3 minutes, and I'll be back in the next 5 minutes for see if we can continue. So I'll be back. I'll be back. Well, guys, unfortunately, the price touched the stop loss. Grow up and grow up. Now we got another confirmation, another pin bar here. Like the reaction is going to be good. So let's see if the price can touch the 3980 for open the trade. We entered early. Yes, probably yes, Probably yes. But I use the only consolidation what I see him in that moment here. So well, sorry for the other stop. Friday was not good, and Monday is not good too. And well, the stop was there. I know some people is telling like the stop loss is little, but well, it's almost 60 pips. It's almost 60 pips. It's enough. It's enough for the trades. So no more than that. Okay. Let's wait the retracement and let's continue with the loans. Um. Well, I'm going to finish to drink my coffee and back. Okay. So, well, the first trade of the week and a stop loss. See some people holding. So, good decision to hold. You use the Chrome stop loss? No, I don't use the Chrome stop loss, my friend. I use the standard stop loss. I'm using them by my side. I think um, more than 55 pips is a massive stop loss. For this type of conditions for today, we use a 57 stop loss. It didn't work. It touched the stop loss. This is trading. Welcome, welcome the ones who are angry for get the negative. This is trading. Well, unfortunately now the price is going to complete the targets TP1, TP2 probably. Probably TP3 too. So well, it is what it is. It is what it is. Es que te vi. So well, the sun continue working. Probably we are not going to see the retracement. Um, so well, let's wait. No other option to 4090. It break this sun, so it's important, to understand. To break the seller's pressure, hitting 3990. We can try inclusive there, but well, let's see. Incredible. Was a really nice trade. Was a really nice trade. I know the trade was very nice, but well, it hit the stop. Not too much to say. Let's start thinking to recover it. Um, Well, let me read the chat. Oh my god, so the comments are beyond thick. Thank you for this. Really appreciate that. The most happening. Okay, maybe not sure if we change time lines, but sounds realistic. Ah, que ahorita era un stop loss un poquito más bajo, sí, era un poquito más bajo. Pero ya igual lo abrí bastante, lo abrí a 57 pips. Y de igual no funcionó. Así que bueno, pasó lo que tenía que pasar, tocó stop y se fue. Nada que hacer. Ah, we still waiting, exactly. We are still waiting, exactly. Let's see. Who is Patrick? Don't see any. Patrick is there. Should we sold now? Should we sold? No, she's asking. He's asking with no issues. He's asking. 4140. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's too late. It's too late. I was waiting um that retracement for around 2 hours for open the trade around 4080. Um, well, it did the confirmation, did the retracement, then just the price destroy the position in 3 candles. Perfect. I know some people close the trading positive. Uh, and well, just you need to hold. Don't close it fully. Try to close it normal. Um, well, let's see. Let's see. So well, now arriving to I think it was the TB3 or something like this. So well, we need to pass the page. Um, let's continue. Let's continue and clarify the position. Probably, I don't know. Some people saying like you need to wait or something, but I use it's the same process. Wait the 1 minute accumulation. I use this accumulation when I open this trade. Something probably is probably something what the people don't understand is when I open the trade, I will see the trade something like this, something like so hard because they are telling like when I open the trade, I don't have this. I just have this, guys. I have these candles here. I don't have the other information, so I need to take a decision. Um, well, I take the decision according my strategy. The candle confirmation in 15 minutes was there. The volume by some was there. The accumulation was in 1 minute was there. Then it gave us some profit, but the reaction there was difficult just because the sellers did that retracement. You know, 80 pips, 90 pips in 5 minutes. I'm trying to apply my best, guys, but sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens. If you don't accept the stop loss, uh, this is not your place. To be honest, it's not your place. So well, this is the that was the situation. The accumulation was here. The trade, I opened the trade there. I opened the trade there. Tried to using this accumulation. The retracement was hard, and then the trade was successful. So so we're doing trading in difficult conditions. If you are new here, probably that's not the best experience what you are seeing. But well, I apply the my knowledge as best as I can. It's okay, bro. You give too many profits, so it's all okay. It's profit, sometimes loss is part of the business. Yes, but most of the people forget. Um, most of the people forget in 1 or 2 days. They forget all the profits for the rest of the month because that's the reality. They don't care. When I won many trades, the next day the people don't care. They expect more and the same results every day. I'm trying to respect all the people for all the people here. Um, but it's not easy. It's trading. It's not a. It's not a. If everyone can do it, probably the 1,000 people here probably it's not going to be in this channel. And well, if everyone can do it, probably no one needs me. But just a few people can do it. Just some people like me can survive. Well, that's all. Trading is not 100%. Yes, it's not a 100%. Some just you have an idea what is going to happen, and I have the idea like the price will grow up. When I was thinking 40.84 was a good position. The thing is, again, the stop loss, my stop loss, and I'm still thinking 55 pips is a massive stop loss. But well, I'm using it because I need it. I need it. If I continue with the 40 pips stop loss, we will see more stop loss than the wins. So, so well, Mister myself, thanks, my friend. I appreciate you too. Thanks for being here. You already give me more than $1,400 since I joined your community. Thanks, my friend Sander Summer. But it's okay. I know it's not difficult. We change from ATH process and massive corrections. Exactly. It's difficult. When you win big, by tomorrow they forget. Yeah, most of the people is going to forget that. Um, that's the reality to have a channel, because people just come back here, forget the profits and everything. And I need to clarify every day the different positions and everything. And that's my responsibility. That's my responsibility to try to everyone here survive to the difficult environment. What we it's the environment what we are seeing now. It's not friendly at all. So my work here is everyone survive with the accounts. So when we touch any stop loss, of course, it's my fault. Um, I need to take the understand why we folded the trade. That's my responsibility. Understand why the trade was really bad. Really bad means it's in a stop loss. So I understand this. The last one, probably I need to wait at least 2 3 minutes more for open the trade and then open the position. That's it. That things happen. Yes, Friday was really bad and today was really bad too. So let's see. Throne, throne, Troshin. Appreciate your kindness and salute your patience. It's a pleasure, my friend. I don't think you've never said there will be an easy day. No, never, never. This is not easy. Trading is not easy. Um, every day we will suffer a lot. Every day we will see difficult situations. But that's the only difference between me and you guys. I'm okay, I'm okay with the stops. I'm okay with the when we lose and everything. I have the patience to wait the price, come back, and then try another good position. And well, that's it. You know, and I'm going to follow in another position if I'm not sure to open another trade. So I know during the week we will recover the trade with no issues. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see what we are going to see here in the next minutes. I'm going to wait the price around 1 hour more. 1 hour more for clarifying the position. For example, I'm receiving a messages now. Hi mate, I lose with you four signals. All lost. 473 euros. I pay for a good signals. So if he lose everything, it's because he's not using the correct lot size. So well, not reason to continue with this type of people. You know. blaming me just because they don't use the proper lot size for their accounts. Um, and I explained that, into the guidelines what I share into the Telegram. Like you need to use the proper lot size for your account. You know, you need to use the proper lot size for your account. If you don't use it, and if you don't read the guidelines, if you don't have the risk management, or if you think like follow my trades with no responsibility, it's a good idea. Probably you will feel like this. Uh, I just lose four trades Friday, Monday, and well, most of the people there is for the lifetime subscription. Um, we will have bad days. We will have very good days. So, so well, for that reason, and that's make me angry because that guy requests me for at least 3 or 4 days. Um, a discount of the price. And again, I feel like a fool giving a discount to people for 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 someone who don't appreciate the opportunity. Well, for that reason, I disappeared the subscriptions, the monthly subscriptions, the yearly subscriptions, the um. Well, now again, that feeling like why you are wasting your time answering the guys requesting for the free access or requesting um, for a discount. This is your work. This is your job, and I invest in many time and effort to this community survive. So well, that things happen. Let's wait the 1 hour candle ends. Yesterday I was in a well this weekend I was in a main event here in Costa Rica about forex, blockchains, cryptos, companies. I remember when I enter in the trading room there, I look at many fancy people, like very good, well dressed. Um, everyone looks like they need to feel important. They need to feel important. They need to someone ask like, oh, what do you do for life? You know, with the sun hours, spent sun hours there. Everyone was talking about their courses, their own strategies, the difficult how to be the trading is, the fancy ones, into the forex room. it was very funny, you know. I remember many people with the fancy watches and everything trying to claim for attention. And then I go into the other rooms for look the companies, you know, the companies, and I see the old guys with the real good money, very normal, you know, like jeans, normal shoes, a skirt of the company, and totally different because they are waiting there for the people who who really trust in their work. You know, they are waiting there. They don't care about the people like looks fancy and everything, or someone asks them like, "What do you do for life?" They are just waiting. They're just waiting because their companies talk for them. Um, I was talking with a guy Juan Carlos from he's a funded for a company. If he told me like that is the main reason for how do you recognize the people with real money, you know, with really the business and everything. A businessman, if you have money, you don't care how you looks like because the people know you for your work, for your hard work, know for how you looks fancy and everything. Um, um, and that's all. And that's all. You need to wait that clients, the clients who will respect your work, the clients for appreciate your work, and the clients who support you in the bad moments, in the good moments. But if you looks like a guy with a fancy guy and you start selling things in the first minute, what you start a conversation, this is not your room, you know. And explain here. I go there just like with a normal clothes, you know, for see what happened. I don't like this that's that type of events, but I understand a lot of things. Today I confirm, you know, like the value of the of your of when you have a good clients or not, when you have a good community or not. I think I have a beautiful community. I think I have a beautiful community who support me. Most of them, most of you guys who support me with no issues. But I understand many things in talking with that guy, Juan Carlos. Uh, he's like 70 years old or something like this. A lot of experience. That was a great experience with that guy. I'm there. Yes, I mean the Rick Lonis was really nice. Um, but I would say 90% of the time I just was drinking beer, seeing the people walking around, and that's all. It was I forget the name. Oh, Stella. It was a Stella. I drink around I don't know 20 Stellas. then Saturday, then yesterday. No one there. No one there was. No one there was drinking nothing. Just the ones who were drinking was the old guys. Like they don't care about nothing. Um, and the other ones looks like very worried about to catch attention, catch clients, moving everywhere, talking, and talking, pure bullshit. Uh, and well, this is the election. Okay, the no, we don't miss Tokyo because I was drinking. We miss Tokyo because we don't see any retracement at the point. That's all. So well, let's continue here. It's New York lunchtime. Yes, but they didn't affect that much. Okay. Mhm. 1 hour candle. It will end with a really, really nice pressure. Okay. I always ignore the bad comments and everything, but this like these people like asking every day for the free access, free support, free discounts for the Telegram, and then every day I will explain here like I'm going to win more than I lose, of course, but sometimes I'm going to lose a lot of trades. And when I decide like, okay, this is as a courtesy because you're a member since I don't know how long. And then the people who you when I give some discounts and everything is when I receive like um, bad comments. So well, this is that was the last time. That was the last time when I provide uh, a discount for one guy. So well, this is the last time. At this point, of course, we will find the sell positions. The other thing what I want to talk today, guys, is just go there because I know some some good companies be there for in what I can invest, in what I can invest and check information there about where I can invest my money, or something like this. They have a good plans and everything, and we may well we got a really nice conversation with one guy, um, the owner of one of that companies. Probably we will start making some business together. I'm going to test the product first, and if the product is good, of course, I will recommend this the product here for everyone. But again, at least 2 or 3 months for test, and then I will share my thoughts for that product, that investment product. That's how homeless people work. They ask for help and they don't like how you help them. Yes, exactly. That's true. That's totally true. So well, in 1 hour we have another volume, Sam. So so let's see if we can see a retracement. If we can see a retracement, or if we continue with the long position, we can apply for the short. But I don't think we can go to the short at this point. I think I'm believing to the retracement. The issue is most of all your followers has a small accounts, and now all of them live in Miami or Dubai. I think 149 works. I want to be inclusive for the people. But someday I think they will understand, like, uh, to appreciate the hard work. But well, that's it. Nice life is pluses is happening. Yes. If you don't want to see a stop loss, this is not the channel. This is not the channel. Um, and well, let's see what happened. Okay. Testing this. I think if we open the trade here. First trade with positive, but being full DPS. That happened last week as well. Yes. Yes. The environment, the market now, it's difficult, guys. Um, and well, again, sometimes you, even if I want to apply my best, all my knowledge, all my experience, all my patience, I will hit the stop loss. I don't like to lose, and I'm tired, for since Friday, Monday, giving a bad results for the people. Yeah, that's not fair. That's not fair. But well, that things happen. That things happen. Um, Not too much to do. I know the price will give us really good results, but again, I'm not feeling well using a 55 pips stop loss, but it's necessary. It's necessary to try to survive this market. So well. Okay, perfect. It's a nice retracement. I really want to skip the sell position, to be honest, guys. I really want to skip the sell position. I really want to continue with the uptrend. So if it comes to this position, we have some probabilities to open the trade. Será. Este. So well, guys, and remember, if you want more entries, sorry. Remember, the sponsor for this channel, the official sponsor is the propermatch.com, guys. If you want to apply for a prop firm, just go there into the propermatch.com. There you will see the best offers, the best discounts. The link is into the chat and into the description. Just go there, read the comments, read the reviews for the different people who rate their prop firms. Um, check what is the best prop firm into what you are looking for: faster payouts, friendly rules, friendly environment. Read all the comments, and you will see what is the best option for you if you want to apply your knowledge into a prop firm, guys. Okay, so let's see retracement. That's great. We need some push more for sellers. We need some push more for sellers. Okay, the price is going back. Mm. So it touched the 0.5 and then grew up. Okay. Your patience. But again, but yes, congratulations for the people who is holding positions in a long position. So that's great. Really nice work. Really nice work. But it's difficult. That's the mm, most of the people don't like to hold positions. You know. It's a nice reaction for buyers. Well, sorry if you hear me and I breathe deep. Um, but it's tired. It's tired to see these reactions for more than 40 pips in 1 minute. I like this type of market. It's terrible. It's terrible. This type of market. It's terrible. Well, mm, So, well, guys, that's all. That's all. This it touch 40.93. It touch. It goes up for 50 pips, around 50 pips. Um, and it stay there for around just 1 minute. New York session. Cartel. New York session. Narrative training is really stressful. What do you do to reduce the stress? Uh, I really enjoy to play video games, read, stay with my family. But most of the time, if I if I going to trade, I just I'm trying to stay relaxed. You know, if I came here very stressful, probably it's not going to work. I opened the transmission very in a very good mood, in a really good mood, trusting in my strategy for the day. But 5 minutes, it goal destroy my all my plan. Then it complete the target. So at least the the plan was good. At least the plan works. It didn't give me any. It didn't give us any profits. But well, at least it works. We have to recover today and two from Friday. Yes, I'm trying working on it, but well, I I did my best in this analysis for today, but the point of entry was very weak, very weak. For that reason, we lose that point. Yeah, I miss when gold was in 1,600. I remember when gold was 100, 600, 100, 400, 1,000, 1,400, 1,600. Just stay there, very nice and chill. And now we are in 4,100. Um, and it's a shit. That's the word. It's a shit. No reason to stay here, but we are here. But well, even if you want to protect your real money and everything, just go into the Brentford match. Then into the Brentford match that com. there you will see the best offers, the best discounts for all your expectations about per frame. You can read the comments there, compare the list of the people there. Of course, go there into the brokermatch.com. The link is into the description. The link is into the chat, guys. So, well, let's see. It's got from me a lot from recently. Now it's a big boys game now. Yes, exactly. It's difficult. It's difficult. But in a $1 trillion industry, we have no excuse to quit. I didn't put the stop loss. I had four positions open in 0.5. I closed right away with the 8 profit, but this what it is. We're gonna be better position, I believe for you. Simeon, my friend, use always the stop loss, my friend. I accept if the people use a little bigger stop loss than me. But always use a stop loss, guys. Always, always. No reason to don't use a stop loss, okay? Be clear of that. Be clear of that. Um, and well, let's see. Let's see. We need to let's see what we have, guys. It's uh trying to clear all dudes that happen to trading only, but I'm going deep into losses every day, trying to give up. But my ego isn't ready to accept the defeat. Uh, yes, I know. I know, and that things happens. That things happen to every people, to every trader. That things happens. That things happens. So well, now we're not going to see a retracement here. The price will break the 30, the 41, and then we will see the sell zone. Let's wait this candle. We're going to wait 3, 4 candles more, and that's all. Taking a huge loss today, probably scrapped 90% of Friday's profit. How to recover part from this section? So let's see. Well, now it's a retracement again. Retracement for around 20 pips. Sunday, so well, nice retracement. So that's great for our intentions now. I think this type of market scalping is the best now. If it's intraday, for example, if you hold a position, the scalping is good because, for example, if you hold a position now, probably it's in positive, but probably tomorrow is in negative, or probably in some hours it's in negative. Um, the people who are holding long positions in a ground points 41, for example, 4103, 4105, that people now it's in a huge negative. But the ones who are holding, for example, positions to 40, 50 or something like this, that's great. That's a great point. So it depends. It depends of your patience. It depends of your money, of course. It depends of your money. If it's in a sell opportunity, I really want to open the trade in a long position 40, 90. I believe we can touch the 40, 40, 10, 41, 10. I'm not going to advise never to hold positions for a full margin. If you are going to hold 100 pips, that's okay. But most of the people hold, for example, 60, 70 pips in negative, but close the trade in 20 pips in positive, for example. So just try to hold positions. For example, close the position in TP3. That would be nice. 110 pips in positive. That's nice. That's nice. Well, it depends. It depends of your of how how you will find the positions and everything. Why do people hold losses and can't hold profit? It depends of your necessities, because most of the people start trading with a lot of necessity of time, necessity of money. Um, if you need money, you have that feeling, like you're losing a lot. So always the hope to recover push you to hold positions in negative. So well, that's the hope. That's the only reason the people hope. Uh, and let's try to be focused. Let me clean the position. Again, guys, if you want to lose, if you don't want to lose, this is not your channel. Here we accept the stop loss. Here we accept all the positions. And the stop loss is our best friend. Okay, we ready. Let's be ready and wait the order. Okay. Price still there. Stock there. 95. Okay. We need the accumulation there. Just not 1 minute and then grow up 30 pips. Okay, 95. 95. Let's try the position there. 95 is there. That's great. Good retracement. Mm-hmm. 94. Okay. 95 at the end. We're still 95. Working into the TPS. So let's see. Everything can happen at this point. Zero 0306. Uh, 11. Okay, un poquito más arriba. Okay, 50. Ujú. 12. 12.50. 01, 03. Let's see if we can touch the TP1. We need to wait these 6 minutes to clarify the position. Let's expect the best for this trade. Let's keep relax and hold the trade. Last 5 minutes. Let's see the result. And at least we want to see this the TP3 at least. TP3 at least. Almost there. TP1 it's now, guys. TP1 it's now. TP1, it's now. TP1, it's now. Let's see if we can touch TP2. Just 10 pips more for touch TP2. Let's see. Share your profits at this point. Share if you close a trade. That's an option. Share if you are holding the position. That's an option. Share if you uh, take some partials. Share your profits at this point, guys. Share your profits. Share your profits. Comment your plan if you're holding. If you reduce the your positions. Share. Okay, TP2 is there. Well, let's wait that the price touch the TP2 fully for call it. Diana, saludos. Saludos a Diana. Espero esté bien. So, well, TP2 it's now. TP2 it's now. Now you can set the B, guys. You can set the B. My accounts it say around 70% fit here. So share your profits, guys. Share your profits at this point. Share your profits at this point. Share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits, guys. I want to read the profits now. So Georgios, $111, $10, $50, $40, $670. That's great. $48. 151 pips. That's great. Mm. So let's see. 400, 700. That's great, guys. That's nice. I'm holding at least for TP3 at for do some partial waiting. I will hold a little the profits. Now the market is very um slow, you know. So that's great. 120. Middle, it's a pressure, guys. It's a pressure. Thanks for the trust. The first trade was good, even better than this one. But well, it touched the stop loss, and this one it's not the best trade, but at least give us 70 pips with no too much risk. So that's great. That's great. That's great. It's really nice. It's very tough to bring profit in a live stream. It's really tough to bring profit in live stream. I don't remember what is tough. Tough. Even I don't know if the pronunciation is good. It's very difficult to obtain profits in the live streams. Yes, it's very difficult. But here, I'm trying to make it possible. Mm, Dream candle GG for the trade and missed it. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. One candle for around 70 pips. That's nice. Ordinary guy and seeing it happen. No, that's not ordinary guy. It's it's a simple if you be consistent with my trades, probably you will have a pretty good results. If you skip some trades, that things happen. Rupees, rupees. That's great, my friend Ras Motoblogger. That's beautiful. Thanks for being here. And again, this is for the people who can recover some money. Can recover some money. I know it's difficult. I know it's difficult. I know some people it's were angry for the last rate and everything. Well, this is part of the trading. Lose the positions, lose the everything. It's difficult. It's difficult. But well, I appreciate the people who trust my work, who trust into the process. It happens. It happens. Uh, and try to make it simple. And try to make it simple, guys. Well, sometimes it's not that easy. I'm going to hold my position. Yes. I'm talking about the final, not the TP3. Yes, I'm holding at least for TP3 for take some partials, and then I will hold for the last final target. Which time do you come live? Come live every day to New York session. New York session, my friend. Mhm. Let's go for the TP3. Who is still holding? Who is still holding? Who is still holding? Share your profits. Share your profits. Okay, good. Share your profits at this point. Almost TP3. Again, the ones who are asking the time, just active the notifications into the channel, and that's all. The ones who are asking for the signals, just go there. Lifetime subscription for Telegram is $149. Lifetime subscription. Okay, TP3 guys. TP3 it's now. First partial into the TP3. Mm. With this first partial, I recover the last the piece. Sorry, the last stop loss. So let's see. We found really good trade. So let's roll for the full TP, guys. Let's roll for the full TP. We'll still hold him. So well, guys, sorry for the ones who can't take the entry. Well, thanks for the ones who stay here and take the position. No issues. Sleepy, thanks for 488 dollars. That's beautiful. GGTP3, impressive. That's great, guys. Holding, holding, guys. If you want to close it, you can close it with no issues. And close it with no issues. Thanks for recovery, my friend. It's a pleasure. Remember, if you want more entries by Telegram or Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. There you will see the prices. Lifetime subscription is $149. You're really good and decent person. I'm really decent, I think. It's a must to be decent when you're a father, a head of a family. At least I'm clear with my results. At least I'm transparent with my results. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. If someone wants to to support me, being part of the family of the Telegram, the Discord, more than welcome. If not, I'm not worried about that. And well, the only thing what I'm not going to accept is the people who are still asking for free access, for discounts. Not I'm not going to say anymore that people, because I think the prices is acceptable for the lifetime subscription. That means I don't know. I'm not going to ask you for renewal your subscription or something. You do the payment and that's all. You forget receive the signals for the end of my days. Perfect trade. Thanks. Yeah, let's see if we can touch the 4112. Mhm. 4110. Let's see if we can go more. Let's see. Share your profits. Share your profits, guys. Share the profits at this point. Almost there, guys. No, what? Not the re-entry here, guys. Of course, not the re-entry here. Remember, don't be greedy. Exactly. I should take a group selfie with it. That's a beautiful trade. Full TP, it's now full TP, guys. Full take profit, full TP, gold. Full TP. So congratulations for the ones who hold the entry. Share your profits. Share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Share your profits. Beautiful trade. Take a picture of that that trade and share it in your socials and tag me. Tag me in your socials. Tag me in your socials with the profit, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. That was great. That was nice. I take a little more pips, around 5 pips more for the trade, but that's all. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful. Excellent for recover. Excellent for the ones who was telling me a lot of things when I lose the first trade. So that is the reason for. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here, guys. If if my strategy is not good, probably this channel will not be successful. Well, the strategy is good, the patience is good, the point of entry sometimes is good, and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Congratulations for the ones into the community who take the entry. Congratulations for the ones who hold the position until the full TP. And well, that's trading, guys. If we use an stop loss, a proper stop loss, we can recover it with no issues. My account was in 1,800 dollars last week, with the bad profits for Thursday and Friday, and today the the account go back to the 800, and now and again in 100 100 1900. So that means I recover it a little more with the profit. My personal account at this moment almost $1,400 in positive. So that's great. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's nice. That's it. Georgios, remember, if you are interested for a prop firm, I don't recommend just one. I know. I recommend the beautiful project for our friends to the problemformatch.com. There you will see what is the best preferring for you and your conditions, guys. So just go there, check the link into the problemformatch.com. If you're interested, just go and purchase one prop firm. No, I'm not a millionaire. I'm not a millionaire trader. I think I am the poor trader in YouTube. I don't feel that, you know. I see many traders with less community, with less experience, living in Dubai, living in Bali, living in other countries, very expensive countries. So I don't care about them. It's what we talk about today, guys. In that convention, many of that traders with a smoking, looking like very clean. And I saw them. I said, like, probably that guy is not. They just selling, the course, and that's all. That's all. He's not a real trader. And for that reason, they need to impress the people. They need to impress the community. I don't care about that. I impress my clients with my trades, and that's all. If of course I'm going to lose many times, I'm going to lose. So well, that's all. That's all. See you in Tokyo. Let's finish a nice position. Bye bye. It's everything is with patience. I arrive here with patience. I don't need to run. I don't need to run. I know I'm going to be a millionaire, but I don't need to run. I'm okay with in that point, and I grow up slowly. Every day I feel the strategy works better, so no need to run, guys. That's important. Pure patience. I'm here because I'm patient. That's all. I'm here, and this project is successful because I have the patience to wait the uh and wait the the proper conditions. You're Latin are scared of money. Why? No, I'm not scared of money. I have a house. I know my house is better for more than the 60, 70% of the people in the United States. My house is better than than the than the people there. I have a beautiful house. I have a beautiful family. I have a beautiful community. I don't care about money. I don't care about money. The money is just secondary, and that's all. And that's all. If you want to be a trader for again, if you want to be a trader for go to Dubai and go rest in a live in a what in a city surrounded by the rooftops, fancy cars, sand. That's all. By my side, I'm okay with this at this point. Next year, probably I'm going to be more aggressive with this my goals. But well, this year it's pretty nice. It's very nice. And again, if you want to be a guy with a Bali or Dubai, sharing things in Instagram to the fancy and the things, that's not the channel. I don't need that things. Probably one day I'm going to buy some things, some pretty fancy things, but not yet. This is not the moment. This is the moment to work with myself. This is the moment to work my strategy. Not. This is the not the moment to spend money and that type of thing. So well, pure patience. That's all. Pure patience. That's all. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trades. Beautiful trades. That's nice. I closed on $40 profit. Thank you. That's great. Yes, the Telegram price will not change for this year. It will continue for $149. $149. I know the potential, my friend. I know my potential. Step by step. Do it for Costa Rica now. Many people. We have a lot of traders doing that things from Costa Rica. You can imagine how many traders we have here sharing pictures with their cars, with their cars. Even we don't have even we don't have as good as streets, for have the McLarens or that type of cars, you know, a Porsche. We don't have a good streets. The country in this country, if you drive that type of cars, you will destroy that car because we don't have a good streets. Took the stop loss on entry and missed this entry. Okay, enjoying today and like your cam list. Perfect, my friend. Thanks. More than welcome. Oh well, guys, nice to talk. Are you gonna take another trade now? That's all. It's too late. If you want more entries by Telegram or Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. Thanks for everyone stay here. For the ones who trust in my work, for the ones who trust in my entries, I appreciate everyone. Thanks for everything. I'll be back for the people in Telegram in Tokyo. I will try to take something in Tokyo. Tokyo is not giving us not too much, but well, let's see, guys. Tomorrow we will continue. I will try to do my best to get a really good profits. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Thanks for the patience. Thanks for the support. Thanks for everyone being here. I appreciate all the comments, the good comments, the bad comments, the the dislikes, the likes. More than welcome everyone here. Just don't ask for the free access. That's make me angry, guys. Don't ask for the free access. That's all. See you. Claudia Sánchez, querida, muy bueno verla por aquí. I will know your support. Thanks, my friend. Thank you, Laurito. My profit for today was $1,300. Beautiful, my friend. Beautiful. That's great. Amazing. So see you soon, guys. Thanks for the support. You're doing well, performer. It's a pleasure, my friend. Michael, gracias a usted, mi amigo, por estar por aquí. See you tomorrow, my friend Wilber. Wilbercito. What time for tomorrow? Just active the notifications. Active the notifications, and you will see when I'm going to be in, guys. Friend reminder, Telegram is not for free because I'm seeing the messages asking for the free. Um, it's lifetime subscription for $149. Okay, so time to ask messages. See you there, guys. See you soon.